Due to the whole coronavirus pandemic all around us, fitness and immunity are more required than ever. Fitness and immunity go hand in hand, and because of the whole situation around us, it has become really difficult for us to stay fit. We do not have access to gyms, to outdoor activities, and because of the whole work from home situation, we have been eating like crazy. So here in this video, we have the top 5 fitness apps in all domains that will help you stay fit and meet your fitness goals. The Healthify Me app does more than just calorie counting. It educates, it trains, and it does its job it's meant to do the best way possible. So let's check out this app.
In our experience, there was literally no food item or snack that wasn't available on this app. Thanks to such a large inventory, tracking calories is such an easy process through this app. It keeps tracks of different nutrients consumed during the day and presents a daily as well as weekly and even a monthly graph to show your growth. Recently, it's also started its own blogs and videos around topics like carb overloading, emotional eating, stress eating, etc. You can set weight goals according to your requirements, and the app will offer custom meal plans accordingly. Although its premium services are expensive, a lot of it is available for free, making it a must-have app. And you know what the best part is? It also connects to your smartwatches and helps you set reminders for water, medicines, etc. But it also offers free workouts. We didn't like them much and won't rely on Healthify Me for the same. But apart from that, it's a great app, does various things, contains a vast inventory and more. There's nothing more to ask from this.
Now for all yoga lovers out there, we have another app that will not just teach you different postures and asanas but will make it a lot fun and easy for you.
For yoga lovers, we recommend the app called Daily Yoga. The app's user interface is clean, beautiful, and easy to use. It allows you to select your level of expertise and has a wide variety of exercises based on which it creates your daily schedule. Besides recommending, it has video tutorials as well, thus ensuring that we were able to learn and understand the intricacies of different poses properly. Apart from this, it has additional features like guided meditation, audiobooks, and more, which will immensely help you clean up your mind. There are premium plans as well, which give you more added features and a whole set of customization. But in our experience of the app, even the free version does just fine.
The Nike Run Club app is a runner's delight. It is one of the most popular apps by Nike and endorsed by every runner nowadays. So let's check out this app.
Nike's popular Nike Run Club app is a delight for every runner. It is especially useful since we have the access to park nowadays, and hence getting out for a run isn't it too difficult. It has its own social feed by allowing you to follow your friends or even celebrities, look at the performance over the week, and even more. To make things interesting, it has its own set of achievements and challenges that adds a fun element and keeps one motivated. Unlike other apps, it can also track treadmill runs, thus catering to a wider audience. Every run you take outside, the app will show a variety of information such as average pace, route followed, calories burned, etc. On top of that, it pairs with major smartwatches as well, thus using their GPS to track your movement. While it does the job it promises, it is a very nice app regardless. It sticks to running and doesn't even bother to do anything else. If that's good or bad, it's up to you guys to decide.
This app requires a premium subscription, but it is everything that anybody missing their gyms and personal trainers need. So let's check out more about this app.
The 30-Day Fitness app is a go-to app for anyone who knows their way around fitness and knows precisely what to do. As the name suggests, it lays down a fitness plan for the next 30 days based on your goals, current weight, and expectations. It allows you to select the various body parts you want to target and has a series of exercises aimed at the same. As expected, it tracks everything based on the idea that you're actually doing as asked to and draws up graphs to show your weekly and monthly reports. While the other apps don't offer the level of detailed attention that this app allows you to put on your different body parts, the one area where it falls short is the lack of free features. Almost everything you click is behind a paywall, implying if you have to use it, you need to pay for it. If you're willing to pay for it, this is the app for anybody who's a little more experienced and wants to create a custom workout session for themselves.
Now it's time for the all-rounder app. The Cult Fit will leave you stunned with what all it has got to offer. Let's quickly check out this app.
CureFit is one app that will answer all your fitness related needs. The app has a beautiful, colorful user interface that definitely makes this app easy and attractive to use. The app's main USP is the ecosystem it provides. It provides users a chance to acquire a personal trainer, indulge in live sessions, shop for workout wear, take dietitian services, look up some healthy fitness recipes, and even consult doctors and enroll in therapy sessions. Although I do have to say that a large part of this is hidden behind a paid subscription. More on that later. Its unique selling point is its live sessions, which are offered in a variety of fitness categories: yoga, high interval intense training, body specific workout sessions, dance sessions, etc. Each of these categories run throughout the day in 19 pre-declared sessions. Involving in a live session is super fun as well. The app constantly tracks your movements during the session using the camera and gives fun informative details like an energy score, a rank based on the score, minute by minute graph of energy levels, etc. While the live sessions are free, they offer a multitude of other sessions at just ₹250 a month, which includes Pilates, dance fitness, celebrity workout sessions, and much more specific fitness sessions. Beyond fitness, it also gives you a portal to connect to doctors at a paid cost depending on which doctor you're consulting. In their list, they have a wide variety of experts available for consultation via audio or video, such as gynecologists, dentists, orthopedic, etc. It also has a dedicated section for mental fitness where it provides therapy sessions, podcasts, and more. However, there are a few downsides as well. Most of the services are behind a paid subscription, which might or might not appeal to a lot of users. The app can get a little overwhelming for the first time users considering the swarm of information that is thrown at them. Also, there is no posture correction tips or videos that we could find, which can be problematic for people. The workouts are more or less fixed, and beyond the defined classes and programs, one cannot find or do anything else. But overall, we found this to be a wonderful app, totally worth checking out, especially if you're just sitting at your home becoming a couch potato.